ओम जय स्वाहा माता।
बोले श्री राजा रामचंद्र की जय। ओम आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसंपदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। ओम श्री सीतारामचंद्राय नमो नमः। We will join Pandit Dr. Umesh for bhajan, then we will continue with our discourse.
ऐसो को दार जग माही, ऐसो को दार जग माही, ऐसो को दार जग माही, ऐसो बिनु सेवा जो द्रवत दीन पर, बिनु सेवा जो द्रवत दीन पर, राम सरस को नाही, ऐसो राम सरस को नाही, ऐसो को दार जग माही, ऐसो को दार जग माही, ऐसो जोगति जोग विराज जतन करी, जोगति जोग जोगति जोग जोगति जोग विराज जतन करी, नहीं पावत मुनि ज्ञानी, ऐसो नहीं पावत मुनि ज्ञानी, ऐसो सो गति देत गिध सबरी कहाँ, सो गति देत गिध सबरी कहाँ, प्रभु न बहुत जिय जानी, ऐसो प्रभु न बहुत जिय जानी, ऐसो को दार जग माही, ऐसो को दार जग माही, ऐसो जो संपत्ति 10 शीस अरतु करी, रावण शिव पहलीनी, ऐसो रावण शिव पहलीनी, ऐसो सो संपदा विभीषण कहती, सो संपदा विभीषण कहती, सकुच सहित हरिदीनी, ऐसो सकुच सहित हरिदीनी, ऐसो को दार जग माही, ऐसो को उदार जग माही, ऐसो तुलसीदास 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 सब भांति सकल सुख, तुलसीदास सब भांति सकल सुख, जो चाहसी मन मेरो, ऐसो जो चाहसी मन मेरो, ऐसो तो भजुराम काम सब पूरन, तो भजुराम काम सब पूरन, करहु कृपा निधि तेरो, ऐसो करहु कृपा निधि तेरो, ऐसो को दार जग माही, ऐसो को दार जग माही, ऐसो बिनु सेवा जो द्रवत दीन पर, राम सरस को नाही, ऐसो राम सरस को नाही, ऐसो को दार जग माही, ऐसो को दार जग माही ऐसो को उदार जग को उदार जग को उदार जग माही ऐसो।
बोले श्री राजा रामचंद्र की जय। Devotees, in Aranyakand, which is the 5th volume of Sri Ramcharitamanas of Goswami Tulsidas Ji, we read where Sri Ram, Sita Mata, Bhaiya Lakshmana are in the forest. A certain incident took place where it is said Sri Ram, with his own hands, he plucked the beautiful wild flowers growing in the forest, fashioned them into a mala, a garland, and he offered it to Sita Ma out of love. Wonderful interaction between Sri Ram and Sita, husband and wife. In total peace, comfort, it is said Sita Ma sat and Sri Ram was lying on his stomach, his head on Sita Mata's lap. A very peaceful setting. There was an individual whose name was Jayant. It is said he was the son of Indra, the king of the Devatas, as he was called. And he is called that, king of the Devatas. Jayant had an experience where his consort, on a full moon night, she went with great joy into the forest where Sri Ram, Sita, Mata, Bhaiya Lakshmana, and she got the darshan of Sri Ram. She was ecstatic. And it all had its genesis way back in the past when Sri Ram was quite small, one day flying a kite. And this kite, it is said, went out of Earth's atmosphere, Indralok, where the consort of Jayant took hold of the kite. And she was questioning, whose kite is this? I want to see the owner of this kite. Hanumanji was with Sri Ram, and he was sent to see who had taken hold of the kite. When he saw this woman, he told her to let her go. It is master's kite. But then she said, I want to see him. I want to see your master. If I have a promise that I'm going to see him, I'm going to release the kite. And so Sri Ram told Hanuman to convey the message. Now is not the right time. In time to come, I will be in Chitrakoot, and you will come there and to your heart's delight get my darshan. So that incident took place. But Jayant now was very envious, filled with jealousy. Why should my wife go and crave the darshan of and that individual, Sri Ram? Who is he? So Jayant wanted to test the power of Sri Ram. Rather than come in an open way and do it, he chose a sort of clandestine method to do it. Well, nefarious attitude. He assumed the form of a crow. He didn't challenge Sri Ram directly, but he went and he picked the foot of Sri Sita Ma. And such was the viciousness of that blow on Sita Mata's foot, blood began to pitch up. Sita did not move, for she did not want to disturb Sri Ram. But that blood pitching up fell on the back of Sri Ram, and he felt that warm liquid, whatever it is, flowing on his back. And he opened his eyes, he looked around, what he saw? Sita Mata's foot, bleeding. Nothing is hidden from the Lord. What he did, he took a headless arrow, some say a twig, a piece of stick, and he released it after Jayant. Jayant wanted to see the power of the Lord, so now he had been exposed to it. He began to fly away, first in the crow form, and wherever he went, this arrow was behind him. He changed his form from the crow to the original Jayant form, and he ran everywhere. He went to his father, When the father realized what he had done, he said, keep on running. Whoever he went to, wherever he went, nobody showed him the respect and regard that was due to him because of his position. And why? Because of what he had done. He went against the Lord. The attitude he displayed, his actions. He who, the son of Indra, the king of the Devatas, could find no peace, no comfort. Nobody supported him. Everybody turned away from him. And here, Yagyavalkya Muni made a point to Bharadwaj, Kaghushuntu Garuji. Bhagwan Shankar, Goddess Parvati. Tulsidas, he documented it simply. Giant's situation. What caused it? Our lessons to be learned from it. It is said,
मातु मृत्यु पितु शमन समना सुधा होय विष सुन हरियाना मित्र करई शतरिपु की करनी ताकह विबुधन दीवै तरनी सब जगते ही अनलहु ते ताता जो रघुबीर विमुख सुन भ्राता जय सिया रामा जय सिया रामा जय सिया रामा जय सिया रामा जय रघुरामा जय परम धामा जय सुख धामा जय श्री रामा जय रघुरामा जय परम धामा जय सुख धामा जय श्री रामा जय सिया रामा जय सिया रामा जय सिया रामा जय सिया रामा.
The conclusion one draws from such a situation where he who was so much loved, respected, honored, was now totally disrespected and rejected by all. What caused that type of rejection? What caused it? Going against divinity. Going against the divine. Going against God, to put it simply. And so, the conclusion drawn is simply this. That person who has created enmity with the Lord, who has turned away from God, whichever way you worship God, however you think of God, the person who has turned away from God, it is said for him, certain situations arise. Matu Mrityu. His mother becomes death for such a person. Now you must understand that mother gives life. She brought us into this world. But if you are an enemy of the divine, that mother who gives life, she becomes death for you. Pitu Yam. The father becomes as a god of death for that individual who is an enemy of the Lord. Sudha Hoi Vik. Nectar, which is supposed to sustain, give eternal life. That becomes, it has a negative opposite effect. It becomes poison. So all things that's supposed to work to your benefit changes. It becomes destructive if you're an enemy of the Lord. Mitra Karishat Ripuki Karani. A friend, a genuine friend, who will stand by your side and support you no matter what the circumstances. If you're an enemy of the Lord, that friend becomes like 100 enemies. he turns opposite, he turns against you. There is no support from him. Everything goes wrong. Everything goes wrong. It is said there is a Ganga. The Ganga is the stream of devotion, yes. But it is said the Ganga purifies, takes away all impurities. And there is what they call Vaitarni, that terrible river in hell as it is called. If you are an enemy of the Lord, Ganga becomes Vaitarni. That which can purify, it has the opposite effect. Totally opposite effect if one is an enemy of the Lord. Yagivalak Munishingu Bharadwaji, oh brother, subjecti anarahute tata. The whole world becomes like fire. Wherever you go, you are burnt. You experience pain. You experience disappointment. Everything turns wrong side. And what causes all this? Jo Raghubir Vimukh Sunabhrata. That individual who vilifies the Lord. That individual who goes against the Lord. That individual who is an enemy of God. And devotees, many make themselves enemy of the Lord. They criticize, they vilify, they condemn. The attitudes are not right. And in this case, you have the example of Jayant. Jayant did his wrong. Notice how he went against God? By doing what is not right, what is improper, not following scriptural injunctions, carried away by his own emotions, his own negativities. And he acted as such. Now, watch what is happening. So that running everywhere, going to Brahmaji, going to Shivaji, wherever he went, to his own father, nobody welcomed him. Nobody wants to associate with such a person. Your life becomes a living hell. And this is why we keep saying time and again, when things start to go wrong in our lives, what we need to do is to look at our attitudes. Are we doing that which is right and proper? Have we done that which is against scriptural injunctions? Acting against the teachings of scriptures? Put it simply, going against God. Have I become godless? Now, any society that becomes godless, that turns away from that divine, that society is doomed. And a society is made up of individuals, of course. So here we are cautioned. At no point in time should we create enmity with that Lord, turn against him. We have everything to lose, nothing to gain by such an attitude. And you know, it is said, Jayant running everywhere, but wherever he went, the arrow was just behind him. And this arrow symbolizes the reaction of his action. Meaning that no matter what we do, the reactions come. No matter where we go, the reactions follow us. Yagivalak Munishingu Bharadwaj, a snake may get away from the eagle. Now the eagle feeds on snakes. It's almost impossible for a serpent to get away from the eagle. But Yagivalak Munishingu Bharadwaj, a serpent may get away from the eagle. But one thing is certain, nobody can escape the arrow of Sri Ram. And this context, we mean the reaction to one's actions. Nobody gets away. Nobody. And we have stated time and again that everything that we experience in life is because of our karmas. Everything. Especially the main factors in our lives. Our karmas determine that. Nobody can escape it. It comes. The solution is to get God's grace. To get close to him. And devotees, in Sundarkand, we have the opposite example to Jayant. And who is this example? Pavan Putra. But Lankini told Hanuman, Hanuman,
करल सुधारी पुकरे मितई गोपद सिंधु नव शीत लाई गरुव सुमेर रामा गरुव सुमेर रेणु सम ताही राम कृपा कर चितमहि जाही जय राम श्री राम जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. Lankini devotees, when a Rakshasi she was, a demoness, when she came in contact with Hanuman, who was about to enter into Lanka, what she said to Hanuman, Hanuman, put the Lord in the heart, his image, put his name on your tongue. Positive attitude, go into Lanka. Why should you have this kind of attitude? With God in the heart, his name on your tongue. Why? Garal Sudha. Poison becomes nectar, as opposed to the previous case we just mentioned. Garal Sudha, poison becomes nectar. Ripu kare mitai, an enemy becomes a friend. Gopat Sindhu, the ocean, as vast as it may be, becomes like the hoof print of a cow. Anal Shitalai, fire loses its burning power. The huge Sumeru Parvat becomes like a grain of sand. For who? Rama Kripa Kalachita Vahi Jahi. For that individual who has the grace of God. So devotees, you have Jayant and you have Hanumanji. Hanumanji, for sure, was testimony to these statements. Lankini was an enemy, but here she became a friend. When Hanuman was small, he went to swallow the sun. He was struck a blow. He became unconscious. That was supposed to kill him. Out of that, he gained immortality. Garal Sudha. Hanuman had to cross 800 miles of ocean. Jump it across. He did it as a child, would jump over the hoofprint of a cow. Gopat Sindhu. They tried to burn Hanuman's tail in Lanka. Lanka was burnt. Nothing happened to Hanuman. Fire lost its burning power. And that Sumeru Parvat, Ravan, were like that huge mountain to so many others. But for Hanuman Baba, Ravan became like a grain of sand. Why? Because he had Sri Ram's grace, God's grace. So devotees, in the face of various adversities facing us in today's society, various challenges, life is going to become more difficult. We all know that. Many are losing their jobs, many more will lose. Different things are going to happen. It is not surprising that crime will increase. Many things, negative things. The signs are not good. How do we survive? How do we survive? We had so many things good in our country, and now things are going down. Is it that our karmas have caused this? Is it that we have lost the grace of divinity? Is it that we have become less spiritual or unspiritual? What is it? Negative things don't happen by mistake at all. There is a cause. And when such situations arise, we need to take stock of ourselves and turn towards divine. intensify spirituality. They're the atheists, the others who say, God won't come and give you money. They take in a very simplistic and idiotic fashion. I don't have time to waste with them. The believers, those who believe, those who pray, turn towards God, try to get His grace, and believe me, you are going to survive. You will more than survive. For remember, as we say here, through God's grace, poison becomes nectar, enemy becomes friend. That which is a huge obstacle becomes trivial. Fire loses its burning power. Nothing is too difficult to surmount. No mountain with the grace of God. It's up to us to decide whether we're going to sincerely and genuinely pursue divinity. For therein lies true success, survival, nothing otherwise. When God's grace is upon us, everything falls into place. Everything falls into place. So, seek Him. Shri Ram Charanam, Shri Ram Charanam, Shri Ram Charanam Bhaji. Shri Ram Charanam, Shri Ram Charanam, Shri Ram Charanam Bhaji. Vaidehi Ramam Vaikuntha Ramam,
Vaidehi Ramam Vaikuntha Ramam,
Vaikuntha Ramam,
Vaikuntha Ramam,
Vaikuntha Ramam,
Vaikuntha Ramam,
Bhupala Churamani,
Bhopala Churamani,
Atmabhiramam Anandaramam,
Atmabhiramam Anandaramam,
Hey Atmabhiramam Anandaramam,
Atmabhiramam Anandaramam,
Shri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
Sri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
Shri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
Sri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
Shri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
Sri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
O Shri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
Sri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
Bolo Shri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
Sri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
Shri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
Sri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
Shri Rama Charanam, Shri Rama Charanam, Shri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
Sri Rama Charanam, Sri Rama Charanam, Sri Rama Charanam Bhaje,
Shri Rama Charanam, Shri Rama Charanam, Shri Rama Charanam Bhaje, Shri Rama Charanam, Shri Rama Charanam, Shri Rama Charanam Bhaje, Shri Ram Charanam Bhaje. Devotees, seek the feet of the Lord. Remember, we need God. He doesn't need us. It is in our interest to seek Him. And if you think things are good today, what about tomorrow? Who knows? No matter whether things are good or not good, turn to God. He makes a difference. Life is nothing but an empty dream unless one realizes the Supreme. Boli Shri Raja Ramachandra ki.
Om Jai Swaha Mata Maya Jai Swaha Mata शक्ति तुम अग्नि की शक्ति तुम सच्ची माता